Hi Fitties, I have a new blog post out I want to show you. It's called Lovingly Expressing Disappointment and Boundaries. And you can find this link in the bio description. You can find the link to my blog. It's right there. It's the latest post. And it basically talks a little bit about how you can give criticism or how to lovingly express your disappointment to a loved one, your colleague, or your significant other. Maybe it's a friend. And you do this without pointing fingers, without hurting the other individual. I think communication is one of the things that is an art. You really have to be authentic and careful in the way that you craft your sentences. So please take a look at this blog post. You can find it in the link description, and I'm sure you'll love it.
It is honestly such a beautiful day. It's cloudy, overcast. There's a nice chill in the air that's not too cold. This is a type of weather that I feel like I can run in forever and ever and ever if I just wanted to. I could be outside, breathe in the fresh air. It's not too humid, but the air isn't dry either. I just feel full body alignment with this type of weather, and I think this is what's really calling me to revisit Vancouver, because I remember in Vancouver we had a lot of days like this, along with sunny days as well. Someone just getting in their car. I just came back from a run and I feel, oh my gosh, like I am so grateful. I'm excited to do like nothing today because it's quarantine, and that's just so significant. I always like having something to do, and I'm busying myself with something, but the concept of doing nothing, I'm just thrilled by it because of the run I had today, because of the weather outside today, and I just want to take time to appreciate that. Wow, is it ever a beautiful day outside, and I just finished a really intense workout. So I was organizing my stash yesterday and I realized I have some electrolytes mixes. This one is called New Water apparently, I don't know, but I think it's good. This one also has charcoal in it. I know it looks black, so that's why I also have some water to flush it down so my teeth don't look gross afterwards. But it's really good to replenish your electrolytes, and I'm talking about sodium, potassium, magnesium, manganese, just to name a few, after your workouts, so that you're not, going into the rest of the day feeling a little bit tired, feeling a little bit drained, feeling a little bit dizzy, right? So here we go. Ooh, you can see that definitely is black. My fingers are getting black because it has charcoal in it, which is detoxifying. Ugh. Don't look at me. My new Tinder profile. Who wants to kiss me right now? Here we go. All better. All better. Beautiful. Okay, so definitely going out for a walk today. First, I'm gonna do the sashimi salad thing.
And then I'll tie my hair up in a bun. You know what? I might as well do that now. So I'll do this. I'll tie my hair up in a bun, and then I'll go outside so that it can air dry. And then I'll take the bun out and I'll have some effortless curls. And I think I'm gonna take my lunch outside today just because it's so nice. All right, this is how you do it. Flip my hair down, then I twist it. I twist and twist. Keep twisting, twisting all the way to the end. I keep twisting, and then I twist it around in a bun on top of my head, or I can do it to the side, but today I'm doing it on top of my head because my hair is growing longer. I can do it on the top of my head. And now I have that little bun. Wow, I look quite hideous like this, but I don't care. Here we go. I'll see you outside. All right, I'm gonna show you what my bun looks like after I take it out. It's gonna be nice and wavy beachy. Pantene moment. Oh, herbal essence. Okay, so it's still a little bit wet. Oh, I could have waited a little bit, but got excited, so it's slightly wavy, and that's kind of how I like it. And right now I have some fish chips with me, which is basically baked salmon skin and bones. And if you listen really closely, this is like ASMR chips. So good. More nutritious and delicious than a regular potato chip any day. Fitties, today I'm gonna have some raw salmon. And generally what I like to do with raw salmon is I take the meat off, I save the bone and the skin to bake so that it becomes crispy like a chip, and then I would eat the raw salmon like that. So here is me deboning and doing the laborious work. Okay, we got the salmon here. Okay, so now you can see this is the salmon part of it, which I will have raw, and this is the skin part of it, which I will bake. The fresher the salmon, the better. I remember the time where I went to Vancouver and they had nice fresh seafood, and I'll never forget how it tasted like the ocean. Now these aren't entirely super duper fresh, but these are the best that you can get in Toronto. And when I can, I opt for wild caught fish instead of farm raised, because wild caught has a better ratio of omega-3s to 6s, and omega-3s is what we really want more in our diet, because there's no shortage of omega-6s in the food industry, and also nuts. Everything is almost made of omega-6s. But it's nice and crispy, you can see. It's like a chip. Yeah, it's like a chip. And you can see here that I have my little sashimi salad with shirataki noodles and some pepper. I also topped it with some seasoning, Thai curry seasoning. So I just gave it a little mix, tucked it in the fridge to let it marinate for like 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna have it. This looks so good. Raw salmon is my life.
Actually, you can see it there. Like, you see that little hole? We didn't get insurance for you to have a piercing. She's smiling right now. I wish I could show you her face. Hello. Okay, coming in now. We need to get on. It was a big task that I wanted to tackle in the morning. Okay, so I have just started looking into.
I love it.
It's a nice day out and it's not too cold, so I decided to take some of my meals outside with me. I have the same thing as I did a few days ago. It is the salmon sashimi salad that I have with a little bit of shirataki noodles. I have peppercorn in here. I have some lime juice. I also have some salt. And I also have red Thai curry. And basically I just marinated it for a good hour or two in the refrigerator. And now I'm ready to dive deep into this baby. And hear the birds chirping as well. Is this ASMR? Hey, who's that? Who's that? Hey, Lukey. Was that a psych? Was that a psych? Did you just psych me?
He's playing. This is playful.
Am I gonna get my hug? Where's my hug? I'm waiting. No walk until I get a hug. How are you? How's his energy today?
He's been good this morning.
Good. It's beautiful today.
Yeah, it's nice out.
I'm so glad we waited for today to walk.
Yeah, yesterday was shit.
You know what? It got better later on.
Yeah.
But after starting tomorrow, there's gonna be apparently 72 hours of rain.
Oh shit.
I know.
Let's go for a dog. You can take a break.
Yeah. All right. Let's go for a walk.
Hold on. Do I get dog or you?
Go.
I'm not the best photographer.
I don't know. I'm not holding you accountable to anything. I just want to remember this moment.
Okay.
Oh, I hope they never build down these trees to make more condos.
I don't think they can.
I hope.
I'm
glad.
It's literally right in between both houses. I don't think they can. My inner photographer.
Yeah.
Paparazzi. Strike a pose. What? Strike a pose.
If you're tired, you can talk.
My sister used to do that to me all the time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. They'd be like, strike a pose.
And did you?
I had to. It's the rule.
What kind of pose would you say?
I always strike some dumb pose. Like, when I was a kid, I was obsessed with the Walk Like an Egyptian song. Because I'd be like, how do they do that? How do they...
like...
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm like, how do they do that walk? I don't know how the fuck to do that. Or I do the worm. I was obsessed with the worm, too.
You have to get down and dirty for that.
Let me see this dick. Come here. Come here. Alright, Loki, come. Come. Here you go, boy. Alright, leave it. There you go. Ready? Bring the stick, come. Bring it.